Hi, today I'm going to show you how to hang this decorative winter welcome sign on a brick wall without using any holes or damaging the wall. We're going to use double-sided carpet tile tape. You can get it, just search carpet tile tape and look for the orange label. So first thing we're going to do is cut the tape. So you're going to need a razor knife like this, a utility knife with a nice sharp blade. You're then going to flip the sign over like this, grab your roll of carpet tile tape, peel the tape back about 4 or 5 inches, and then using a cutting board, or if you are right on concrete, you can just cut it on the concrete in your garage or outside. And then you want to cut your strip like this, and then let's place it at each corner on the back of the sign, and then just press it down. Okay, we're going to do that on each corner of the sign. Okay, and then just press it down good so it adheres good to the backing. You can use this for metal as well as wood or plastic to go on the brick wall. If you have acoustic tiles, it works as well. Okay, and then what we want to do is, once you get your tape on all 4 sides, you want to peel off the 2-sided tape to reveal the other sticky side. Should come off nice and easy like that. All right, and then figure out where you want it on the brick wall. Okay, make sure it's flat, it's not curved. Okay, I can use the line of my brick to make sure it's straight. And then you want to press each corner down to the brick. Okay, and then you're good to go. All set. So you can grab your carpet tile tape online, just search carpet tile tape and look for the orange label.